November 12th, 2020, Fluency. Nina and two of her friends go to dinner. Nina's plate costs $14.56. Lauren's plate cost $12.39. And Brittany's plate cost $15.63. They split the bill when it comes to the table. How much do they each pay? All right, so it looks to be that they're putting their check on one. So that means all of their bills, all of their plates are going to go on one bill, and then they're going to split it into three because there's three of them. So what we need to do first is add them together. So when we're adding decimals, remember, we have to line them up. Line them up. So, whoop, wrong one. $14.56. $14.56. $12.39. You're probably saying, yeah, why don't they just pay themselves? Because they just didn't, okay? They didn't. Maybe they do this all the time. $12.39. And then Brittany's was $15.63. All right, let's take a look here. We are going to add them up, up. All right, here we go. All right, so 9 plus 6 is going to be 15 plus 3 is 18. Going to carry that 1, drop that 8. Now, 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Going to carry that 1, drop that 5. Drop that decimal, drop it low, drop it like it's hot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So their whole bill costed them $42.58. All right, so I'm going to keep this number over here because that's their whole bill. Now, I'm going to take all these and delete them because now their bill is what they split amongst them. So how many of them are there? Well, there's Nina, Lauren, and Brittany. So Nina and two of her friends. So that means there's 3 of them total. So that means we're going to split the bill into 3. So assuming they're not paying a tip with their bill, they'll pay their own tips. So what we need to do is divide here. So we're going to have $42.58. We are going to divide that by 3. Oop. Here we go. Divide it by 3 because there's 3 of them. All right, so how many times can 3 go into 4? I know, well, first, what can we do with that decimal here? What can we do with that decimal? When we're dividing, we pop that decimal up. So this decimal gets popped up. So pop that decimal up. Now, how many times can 3 go into 4? Well, 3 can go into 4 one time. So I'm going to put that 1 above the 4. Now I can do 3 times 1, which is 3. And now I will be able to subtract. All right, so now I have 4 minus 3, which is 1. And then I'm going to bring down that 2. There we go. Bring down that 2. Now, how many times can 3 go into 12? 3 can go into 12 4 times. So I'm going to put this 4 above that 2. 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm going to subtract. So I know that 12 minus 12 is going to be 0. Now what am I going to do? Well, we need to bring down that 5 because we're not done yet. We need to bring down that 5. Whoop. There we go. So when we bring down that 5, how many times can 3 go into 5? I'm going to have to move this up a little bit. There we go. How many times can 3 go into 5? Well, 1 time. So let's put that 1 there. 3 times 1 is 3. Now we can subtract 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. All right, now we're going to drop down that 8. All right, so 28. How many times can 3 go into 20? Oop, not 2. 8, 8, 8. How many times can 3 go into 28? Well, I know that 3 times 9 is 27. So that's just under 28. So I'm going to put 9 here. And then I know 3 times 9 is 27. All right, now, since we are going to subtract here, oop, I'm going to have to copy and paste this. Now I have 28 minus 27, which is 1. And this 1, I'm going to carry it down here. So then we have to put another 0 here. But if we put a 0 here, that means we will have another place value. But since we're dealing with money, we can stop at this second digit, the second decimal. So we can stop at the hundredths place since we're dealing with money. So in this case, each of them are going to pay $14.19. $14.19 each. And that's our fluency. Great job.